2 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, what kind of fucking? That's the weirdest sounds I've ever heard. In my mind, my imagination is taking me places. I was like, what the fuck are you doing? It's like shit is off rhythm. It was fucking crazy.
Just Malik in bed. Nah.
You're right. You're right, man. Yeah.
So,
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 1, 2.
See,
like,
my
wait,
brother,
hold,
what you want to do is you want to slap on every 2. You know what I mean? Slap on every 2.
You're like, what the fuck are you guys doing?
Look, I got a couple of sites I can show you that
Are
can
you
make
sure
you
it's
learn
not a
this.
gaming thing?
I thought it was for a while, but then you can tell the difference between a TV and a person.
Is it
It's either that or they're trying to work out some kind of workout. I don't know what it is.
It's interesting.
And looking at them, I don't think they work out. So it was
dude and chick or
I don't know. I think there's 3 of them in there,
oh.
and it's
Oh, interesting.